is Jimenez. I've been playing drums for 15 years and I currently play for Church Alive Music and the William Jimenez band. Sticks that I play are the 5B reach with the nylon tip and the 5A reach with the wooden tip. Things that I love about the sticks, the durability. I love that in the 5B reach, the nylon tip is smaller than most nylon tips I've ever used, so it still allows me a good control over dynamics. And with the 5A reach, I love actually that the wooden tip is a little bigger, so that when I'm playing something softer, if I need to dig a little more and give it a little more power, I have the option to do so, which used to be an issue with me with other brands with the 5As. Today I'm gonna play a song called Awaken from our latest EP, Awaken, which we released last November, and I hope you guys enjoy it.